Hello, welcome to another makeup video. Today I am going to do my entire face using only products from the brand e.l.f, which stands for eyes, lips, face. It's extremely low priced. I think the least expensive product is $1 and it's some sort of makeup brush. It's a brand that I've been using for a long time, so I already owned a lot of the products from e.l.f to begin with, but there were some things that I had to supplement my collection with. So I went to Target and bought everything else that I would need to do this video. Insert footage of me at Target now. Okay, so I'm gonna get a bunch of stuff from e.l.f. So I got a sponge, I got a lipstick, I'm gonna try this brow cream, and then let's look at what I already have in my cart. Okay, I've got some powder, some skincare, found a couple foundations, other crap, concealer. Okay, let's go. Oh, hi. Look at that. This is Blue, so cute little kitten. Look how jealous Walter is in the back. Are you jealous? Oh. Without further ado, let me begin doing my face with e.l.f. products. Hold for siren. My Target bag. I got this pack of under eye gel hydrating patches. These things are all the rage right now. This pack of 3 was $8. So if we do the math, 8 divided by 3, that means they are $2.66 each. Ooh, these are so fun. I just want to squish them all around. Peel off this. Get a little bit of hydration station underneath these eyes. When are they going to invent a highlight that is that blinding? I would buy that. So it says it plumps, moisturizes, soothes under the eye area for smooth looking skin. You're supposed to leave them on for about 10 to 15 minutes, so see you in 10 to 15 minutes, except for that it will only be a second because editing! And I'm back! It's been 15 minutes, so here we go. Yes. Oh, that is a nice feeling. And then the directions also said that you can just pat in any of the excess serum. Serum is a gross word. Do I look plumped, nourished, soothed? That's how I feel. Let's move on to moisturizer slash primer. I've used this in a video before. It is the Moisturizing Poreless Primer. This is $6 whole. I'm not sure if my camera picks it up, but I really do feel like when I use this primer, my skin looks different immediately. I'm gonna put a screenshot of my face from right before I put on the primer, and I think there is a difference. I really do. I'm like looking over here like I can see it, even though obviously I did this when I was editing. Dumb. So, for foundation, I have the Acne Fighting Foundation in the color Tan, and this guy was $8. So, single digit foundation. We'll see if it's good, but we got that. And then I also got this one, which is the Beautifully Bare Foundation Serum, there's that word again, with Goji Berry Broad Spectrum SPF 25 sunscreen in medium dark. And this one was only $6. $8, $6, still cheaper than the price of some of the other foundations that I use. The serum one is supposed to do a natural glow with a lightweight vitamin infused foundation. And then the Acne Fighting Foundation, also lightweight, and it says it disguises redness, blemishes, and uneven skin tone. So I figured I would maybe do this one on this side and this one on that side, and we'll see which one looks better. I also got a makeup sponge from e.l.f. This is a good sponge. This is a knockoff beauty blender, and it's only $5. I believe beauty blenders are 18, so it's the exact same thing. And I'm just going to get it wet with some of my e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set Spray. If you're not near a sink when you're doing your makeup, this is a great way to get your sponges nice and damp. Remember, damp sponge with liquid foundations applies it better than any other tool in my personal opinion. Okay, so let's start off with the Acne Fighting Foundation. It's Christmas morning! The other thing is that they have, the colors are like light, medium, dark. So they're kind of assuming that there are 3 skin tones total. Oh, lucky me. That happens to match my skin perfectly. It's almost too perfect. Wow. Is that because it's so light coverage though, or because it's actually a good match to my skin? Go ahead and bust open this one. Come on out. Come on out. Oh, Whoa, okay, whoa. Straight up liquid. Oh no, it's not. Okay, it got a little bit thicker. There's no instructions, but maybe this one you're supposed to shake. All right, let's go ahead and go in with this serum. Oh wow. Okay, that also matches my skin really nicely. I am trying to figure out though if they're the perfect match for my skin or if there's no coverage. I take it back. Yeah, now I'm just shiny. There's actually, that is so weird. It's like a tan oil that seeps into the skin. I'm really not a fan of that. I'm gonna go ahead and mix them together and see if we can get a good foundation going here. Shake, 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 shake. Cats are playing with a cardboard box. Hey, I'm filming a video. All right, I just put on like 3 full layers and as you can see, it's really lightweight. Do a little bit more of this one. I'm trying to think of what type of skin you would have where you could use such sheer foundation. I mean, look at that. You can just barely, it's like I'm barely doing anything at all. It's so strange. You would have to have perfect skin. Does that exist? If you're somebody who could use this, congratulations. You know what I might end up doing is keeping those foundations around just to mix in with my other nicer, fuller coverage foundations to make them last a little bit longer. My skin looks fine, but I would definitely just skip makeup entirely if this is what my skin is gonna look like. You feel, yeah, you get it. Moving right along, this concealer is $2. That is less than certain packs of gum. Oh my gosh, the directions say to dab and cover where desired, blend with fingertip. I'm not gonna do that, by the way, especially because I have nails on. Imagine being able to open, oh my gosh, I finally got it open. Ooh, okay. Wow, so all of the pigmentation that they could have been putting in their foundation, they put towards their concealer. Dang. Okay, $2. I mean, my face immediately looks so much better. I can't even believe it. Let's go ahead and do another side by side, shall we? There I am. And yeah. Wow, good job, concealer. Next up, we have, of course, our setting powder. The setting powder
was... Where is it? My gosh.
$5. This powder is $5. High definition loose powder creates a soft focus effect on the skin, helps mask fine lines and imperfections for radiant looking complexion. I understand that it protects the powder, but I hate when there's a thing that you have to peel. I even have nails and like, peeled it up and then it went back down again. My gosh, I got it. Phew-sh. Underneath the eyes. Oh my gosh, wait. Can you see that? It's just melting into my skin. Wait, is this a magical powder? Wow. So here I am pre-powdered. You look great. You don't look shiny at all. Thank you. Moving right along, I have this e.l.f. primer infused bronzer blush. I've already owned this product. I used it in my affordable makeup video, which I will link down below because maybe you like the prices of e.l.f. but you don't love all of the products. So if you watch that other video I made about affordable makeup, you can stay on the same budget but don't necessarily have to stick to just one brand. Bonus, this brush is from e.l.f. Thank you very much. Next up, of course, is my eyebrows. This is the Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream. This guy was only $4. If it works, it might be a great dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade that I have. I got the color medium brown. I used to only use black products for my eyebrows, but looking at pictures of me from even 6 months ago using only black, my brows might have been a little bit too intense. I'm just gonna very gently start. Oh, whoa, okay, so that is thick. Well, if you start off with too much product like that, immediately start combing it through your hairs. That just kind of starts distributing the product a little bit so you don't have a big goop. Yeah, that's looking really natural, very hair-like. A little bit goes a really long way, clearly. How much did I say that it was? For only $4. Bang for your buck. Just take some patience and finessing. Okay, I feel really good about those brows. Great job, e.l.f. You did it again. Illuminating mist and set. I'm gonna give myself a little spritz here before I throw my highlighter on. Doing highlighter right after a spritz makes it extra blinding. I've already showed you this product before. It is the little e.l.f. highlighter. I believe these things are $5. I can't remember exactly. And like I said last time, I like to scratch the surface a little bit with my finger to kind of get that pigment going. Pressed powder is great, but this highlighter is so pressed that it doesn't show up. So just gotta get it going a little bit. An affordable blinding highlighter is a hot commodity. Isn't it so funny that you use finishing powder to make yourself matte, but then you add highlighter to make yourself shiny again, but then you still want to be matte? It's like, what are we even doing? Oh, make up your mind. It's actually almost as blinding as wearing one of those eye patches on my face, so great job. Eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Mad for Mattes eyeshadow palette again. I've used this in quite a few videos already. Take some of these warm tones, do a little crease action here. I'm sorry if you've been able to hear the sirens this entire video. I don't know what's going on outside, but it's been just about non-stop. Just a chill evening of makeup. I get annoyed and make fun of the sirens a lot, but there's a little part of me that every time I hear a siren, right after I feel selfishly annoyed, I'm like, oh, but hopefully like someone didn't die, you know? And I'm gonna take this lighter pinkish color right here and dust it over my lid. Then I'm gonna really darken up the edges with this dark brown just to give it like an extra bit of drama. Yeah, that looks good. I do a lot of self-affirming in these videos because I am in a room by myself, not counting the cats, talking to my phone. Haha! So someone's gotta tell me I'm doing a good job because it's just me. Yeah, great job! Aren't you a great accessory? His coloring looks beautiful with my yellow sweater. Oh yes. Walter's like, what about me? The glitter I'm gonna use is, of course, from e.l.f. and it is this amazing loose glitter. It's gold. They have it. But if that had exploded, they're between $3 and $5. They do have a glitter glue that you can buy to go with these, which I didn't buy because I have the one from NYX. So to get creative, because we are not going to cheat, I'm gonna use a little bit of my primer as a glitter glue. Do a little bit of that primer and dot it on my eye where I want the glitter to go. And then I'm just gonna go directly into the glitter, tap off the excess as much as possible, and press it on where my primer went. Oh my gosh, I love that. That's really pretty. Great, and most of the glitter came off my finger, so that's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and BRB. Just a tiny bit of glitter takes your look to the next level. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and brush off any of that extra loose glitter. Now, my eyelash extensions are on their very last leg, but I'm still not gonna wear eyeliner or mascara because I paid for these extensions, so I am going to make them last as long as possible. The final step of my routine, of course, is a lipstick. I got this one. It is a... I cannot believe it with the sirens. This is a liquid matte lipstick called Berry Sorbet, and it was only $5. I love the color. I'm really into berry pinks right now. Not quite a cranberry pink, but not a watermelon pink, like a raspberry pink. Maybe raspberry is the new red for winter 2018. Or not, because of my bright red nails that I forgot that I was wearing. Stupid! I like that applicator. That's nice. As you can see by that little fast forward footage I just did, I dipped in to that lipstick once and look at my lips. That is a good lipstick and it's so lightweight. It's amazing! And just because I had to, I'm gonna add a glitter lip topper, just proving to you that it is in fact from e.l.f., no cheating. It's either $6 or $8, I can't remember. I bought it on a different trip. So pretty. Throwing a little bit of gloss or a little bit of lip topper or whatever right in the middle of your lips gives the illusion of having nice big plump lips, which is what we love. Quick review of all of the new things that I used. I I would take or leave the eye patch, whatever. This is a super, super good sponge. It's only $5. This is like the 8th one of these I've bought. Skip the foundations. Even though they're only $6 and $8, spend that $6 and $8 on something else, anything else. The concealer and brow pomade were amazing. Both of them a little bit went a really long way, so either of these I would highly recommend. The grand prize winners of my new e.l.f. products competition that I didn't realize I was even doing until now are the powder and the lipstick. Oh my gosh, this powder and this lipstick were amazing. You saw the results of the powder and you watched me do only 1 coat of this lipstick. Skip the foundation and buy 3 of each of these. I know there's an unlimited amount of makeup videos out there, so it means a lot that you decided to watch mine. Thank you for the view, and I will see you for another video.